At theinvestmentanalyst.com, we believe in the transformative power of knowledge and its ability to reshape the financial landscape. Our purpose is to democratize access to elite-level investment insights, bridging the gap between theoretical understanding and real-world market expertise. We're driven by the conviction that better educated investors create a more efficient, ethical, and prosperous financial ecosystem for all. Our mission is to empower the current and next generation of analysts and investors, fostering a culture of continuous learning and critical thinking that elevates the entire investment industry. We achieve our mission by leveraging a unique combination of validated market experience and cutting-edge educational technology. Our platform is built on the expertise of Geoff Robinson, an ex-UBS managing director and 9-time #1 ranked analyst, ensuring our content reflects current market issues and practical insights. We utilize state-of-the-art EdTech to deliver this knowledge in engaging, accessible formats across multiple languages and platforms. Our approach goes beyond traditional textbook learning, encouraging lateral thinking and the application of dynamic frameworks that respond to the complexities of modern markets. We foster a community of learners, facilitating peer-to-peer knowledge exchange and professional growth. TheInvestmentAnalyst.com offers a comprehensive, state-of-the-art investment education platform. Our offerings include on-demand access to #1 ranked analyst curated content across various investment disciplines, delivered through user-friendly iOS and Android apps, and a website fully compatible with learning accessibility standards. We provide practical, desk-relevant training that goes beyond theoretical knowledge, offering insights directly applicable to real-world market scenarios. Our platform features a collaborative community for peer learning, multi-language content to break down linguistic barriers, and a curriculum designed to develop technical skills, critical thinking, and adaptive learning habits. Through TheInvestmentAnalyst.com, we deliver the tools, knowledge, and skills necessary for analysts and investors to excel in the complex, adaptive world of financial markets. So why don't you invest a little in yourself and begin your complimentary 14-day Premium Plus journey now with TheInvestmentAnalyst.com.